In this video, we will show a rough overview of how the IKO commercial composite boards are installed. This training video is for general educational purposes only, intended for the exclusive use of professional roofers skilled in the installation of commercial roofing materials. This video is not intended to replace in-person training, manufacturer's installation and product directions, or the professional judgment to be exercised by the roofing contractor with respect to a particular project. Actual conditions encountered during installation may vary. By providing this video, IKO assumes no responsibility for the quality of installation, workmanship, building code compliance, or job safety. We will demonstrate the Protectobase 180 and the Shieldbase 180, which both come in either a film or sanded top surface. The Protectobase 180 is a factory laminated board and base sheet with 100% adhesion of the membrane to the panel in a factory-controlled environment. Available in 180-gram polyester reinforcement and Protecto board thickness of 4.8 mm or 3/16 of an inch, in a film or sanded surface, Protectobase is designed to suit a variety of cap sheet installation techniques. The Shieldbase 180 is a lightweight composite of 12.7 mm or ½ inch, high compressive IKO cover shield polyiso insulation, factory laminated to a reinforced SBS modified bitumen base sheet. Shieldbase 180 is durable, lightweight, and great for re-roofing applications. Both the Protectobase 180 and Shieldbase 180 can be mechanically attached, adhered with IKO Millennium adhesive, or fully adhered with hot asphalt. For more detailed descriptions for the installation methods, please refer to the IKO commercial website. Always follow local safety requirements when working with these products. Please visit www.iko.com/com for more details about these and other IKO commercial products. To begin, dry fit the composite boards into position. It is recommended that you align the joints, as this makes it easier to seal later on with the seam tape. Using a torch, heat the side lap to soften the top and bottom. With a trowel, gently press down on the side lap to create a watertight seam. Always remember to have a fire extinguisher close at hand when working with an open flame. On a mechanically attached system, unless otherwise specified, fastening requirements shall be in accordance with the patterns detailed in the IKO Commercial Technical Specifications Manual. Only screws and plates are acceptable mechanical fasteners for insulation. For an adhered installation using IKO Millennium adhesive, prior to application, discard a small portion of mixed material to ensure the product is properly mixed. Apply adhesive directly to the substrate using a ribbon pattern. Space 12.7 to 19.05 mm or ½ to ¾ inch wide beads, 30 cm or 12 inches on center to achieve proper coverage and suitable board product attachment. While aligned, remove release film and press side lap into full contact with the composite sheet next to it. Once pressed down, roll the membrane with a 75 to 100 pound roller to promote proper bond. We are now ready to install the seam tapes. In this video, we will use the Torch Tape 180FF. The Torch Tape 180FF is constructed with a tough, non-woven, reinforced polyester mat strengthened with select glass fiber strands. It is coated with select SBS polymers and premium asphalt to offer superior elasticity, excellent moisture resistance, and exceptional cold weather flexibility. Both surfaces of the product are covered with a thin, micro-perforated film, which dissolves during heat welding to the substrate. When heat fusing torch tapes to the Protecto board, the torch flame should be directed primarily at the roll. Gently preheat the top of the Protecto board immediately in front of the roll. Apply the flame evenly across the back of the torch tape roll and along the surface of the previously installed sheet. We will use the Torch Flex cap sheet for this installation reference video. You can find more information about this product on our website. When heat welding a cap sheet, the torch operator should be positioned in front of the roll and should use a hook or cane-style tool to pull the roll towards them. Apply the flame evenly across the back of the roll and along the exposed side lap of the previously installed sheet. Continuously move the torch across the underside of the roll from side to side to melt the film on the back of the sheet and the lap of the previously installed sheet. Installation is correct when a small bead of bitumen can be seen in front of the roll and at the side lap. producing a nominal 6 mm or 1/4 inch bleed out of bitumen at both sides. Always ensure that a fire extinguisher is close at hand when working with an open flame. That brings us to the closing of this installation reference video. For more information about this or any other IKO commercial product, or to find out more about the IKO approved applicator program, please go to our website or contact your local IKO commercial representative for details. IKO Commercial. Specify with confidence.